Origin of Harappan civilization. As Harappan civilization belongs to the protohistoric phase, we come to know about this civilization with the help of archaeological evidence only, which too are insufficient. We have literary sources available with us also, but that has not been in use because they have not yet deciphered. As far as information regarding origination of Harappan civilization is concerned, there are various theories given. First, theory of Mesopotamian origin. Second, theory of Aryan origin. Third, theory of gradual origin, and so on. Among these, third is considered to be the most convincing, apt, and logical theories, that is, theory of gradual origination, which talks that the Harappan civilization flourished in stages. It came into highlight through this urban civilization became so flourished in the stages. First stage, Neolithic period, 5500 BCE to 3200 BCE. Northwest was a leading region because that region was sparsely forested and it was easy for the early men to maintain livelihood in a less forested area. Second reason was the inundated of water from the river Sindhu, and also alluvial soil brought by the floods also proved to be congenial for agriculture. Second stage, early Harappan culture, 3200 BCE to 2600 BCE. First and second stage were called as cultures, but not civilization. But then there was the rise of Harappan urban civilization from 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. It became a standard of living in a vast area. That's why it came to be called as civilization. And now, if I talk about decline, again, archaeologists have come up with different reasons on the basis of conjecture, as there is lack of sufficient archaeological evidences regarding it. First reason is Aryan invasion. According to Mortimer Wheeler, who was a military officer in World War II, then turned to be director of Archaeological Survey of India, he said that Harappan civilization got declined due to Aryan invasion and presented some circumstantial evidences also. Second reason regarding decline is flood. Third reason given was, so these first reason was given by Mortimer Wheeler, then other reasons are given by some other historians and archaeologists. Second reason, flood. Third reason, scarcity of water, that is desertation due to decline of rainfall. Fourth reason, some believe that as Harappan people were using burned brick for making houses, that led to ecological imbalance, which again doesn't seem so convincing theory. Some archaeologists also believe that different factors are responsible, are accountable for decline of different sites, not a single factor. For example, if flood is the reason for decline of Lothar and Mohenjo-daro, then for Rajasthan and Kalibanga it was desertification, which would not be the same for Gangetic Basin. Most appropriately, we can also take a stand that decline here means transformation from urban to rural sites of Harappa. So civilization survived in altered form in form of rural culture known as late Harappan culture from 1900 BCE to 1300 BCE, and many culture came to highlight which carried the legacy of Harappan civilization. These cultures include cemetery etch culture in Punjab, Haryana, and Bahawalpur, Jhukar culture in Chanhudro, lustrous red pottery culture in Gujarat. So, in this way, decline means Harappan civilization transformed from bronze to copper, from urban to rural. It reverted from long distance trade from other places like Mesopotamia to trade within the continent, from using of seals to no use of seal, from burnt bricks they reverted back to mud bricks, and also urbanized town planning, which was one of the great features that was great town planning of Harappan civilization also declined.